Programming your 2007-2011 Ford Crown Victoria key fob is straightforward and can be done at home. This process syncs the remote transmitter with your car's body control module, BCM. The key fob operates on a 314 MHz frequency for North American models and uses a rolling code system for security. The only tools you need are your key and the new fob. Here's how. Enter your vehicle, cycle the ignition key from on to off 3 times quickly, on, off, on, holding each position for 1 to 2 seconds. Within 10 seconds of the last cycle, press any button on the key fob you want to program. The car doors should lock and unlock to confirm successful programming. Repeat this step for up to 4 fobs. This method reprograms the BCM's memory, allowing the new fob to control your car. If the DIY method fails, common issues include a dead fob battery or signal interference. Replace the dead battery with a CR2032 type. For signal interference, test the fob in an open area away from potential sources. If problems persist, it could indicate a BCM fault, requiring professional diagnostics. While DIY programming remains feasible, there's a growing trend towards aftermarket smart key adapters that enable app-based keyless entry. These offer features like remote start and improved range. Companies like Keyless Ride and iData Start offer universal key fob programmers that simplify pairing. However, be aware of potential security risks, as rolling codes can be vulnerable to relay attacks, particularly in urban areas.